Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
The real benefits of a faceless YouTube channel are you don't need to get on camera. And for a lot of people, that's going to alleviate a lot of the stress that they have when they're thinking about starting a business. You don't need to talk to anyone. You can be completely anonymous. Your family or your coworkers don't need to know anything that you're doing in terms of the channel that you're creating. So it can allow you to just have freedom where you don't need to worry that your coworkers are going to ask you or say, I saw you on YouTube or something like that, which for a lot of people is a very stressful experience. So this allows you to build something in a niche that you're just passionate about and something that you want to create content in without having to be a performer, without having to speak, without having to get on camera, without doing lights, without worrying about what kind of camera should I buy, how am I going to record this. All that stuff you don't need to worry about. And that's one of the things that makes this one of the most accessible routes for someone to earn money online. And when you add to that it's so much easier to optimize and build an audience on YouTube than it is on some of these other platforms, it just really makes a ton of sense to get started with a faceless YouTube channel. So we're going to break everything down so you know exactly how to do it. We're going to cover a lot of different examples of different types of channels. We're going to go into different niches and everything that you need in order to be successful using this method.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.